Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing two products that were sent to me for review from Born Pretty. The first is this peel-off base coat. This is a great product to use under your gel manicures, especially if you're worried about the removal process. I've even used it under polygel nails and they remove super easily. After applying a thin coat, I cure in the lamp for 2 minutes. The next product I'm testing is the Quick Builder UV Gel. Since it's a thick consistency, it stays in place and you can build a really nice nail. I love that it comes with a brush, so it's really easy to apply. After creating the nail, you can cure in the lamp. And the results are beautiful. Let's test how easily the peel-off base coat comes off. I love it. It's so easy to use and I highly recommend these two products. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!